Now what happens if I change the style? Like what styles of music do you guys know? Rock and roll. So if I played a rock beat, maybe a rock song would sound like this. Did you know there's a country beat called a train beat? Can you take a guess why it sounds like that? Chugga, 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 chugga. It sounds like a train. Everybody go, choo, choo. Pop music. If you know it, sing along. I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. I think he's asleep. It sounds like he's sleeping. Hey, drum set, wake up! Wake up! It's kind of an easy one. Come on, give me something like really hard. Drum solo. Uh-oh. Can you see how my job as a musician and a composer, I perform music, I record music, do you understand how these skills, the STEAM skills, have helped me achieve my goals with the skills I'm using? And what I want to point out to you is that even if you decide you don't want to do music or stuff I'm doing, no matter what job you do, no matter throughout school, you're still going to need to develop these skills. And sometimes that takes some perseverance. You know this word, right? Perseverance means you're going to work at it even if it's difficult at first. Because everything I showed you today, when I first tried it, some of the things I tried when I was your age, like drumming, when I first started drumming, I was about your age. And it was really challenging. It took a lot of practice, perseverance to become good at drums. Same thing with learning how to use all this stuff over here. It's all the same. So these skills, the science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, are things that are going to challenge you, but you have to stick with it, persevere. And by the end of school, you'll be prepared for whatever it is you want to do.